Hi everyone, my name is Wesley Muela, and today we're going to see QAiry. What is QAiry? QAiry is a Salesforce Marketing Cloud tool available on the App Exchange powered by AI. You can write prompts to retrieve, segment, and manage your data on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This tool is perfect for marketers to segment their audience without any coding skill. So let me show you. So we're going to use the case of data view. So for example, if I want to see the name and the date of the two most recent journeys that are made on this business unit, I can just write to this prompt to the AI, give me the date and the name of the two most recent journeys. Now I click send to send the query, and with a couple seconds to minutes we should get some result. Now we can see we have two records as I ask, the two most recent journey with the date of creation and the journey name. As well, every request we create a new data extension, which is perfect. So now if I refresh here in the query doc, I have a new data extension based on my request. So now we can see the field, name field, data type, and now we can see the date of creation and the journey name with the name here and the date of creation. We can see here the SQL code that was created upon our request. We're going to send a request to the AI, and the AI gonna retrieve this with SQL. But for people who don't know how to write in SQL, the AI is gonna do that for us. We also have a schedule option to schedule certain requests and automate certain things. This is not available on the free version. Well, for the paid version, you can actually schedule certain requests and automate certain segmentation, especially for the audience. If you like this presentation of different tools that we can have on the App Exchange to make your life easier on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, don't hesitate to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my LinkedIn or my YouTube channel.